Hello my dear, my name is Farnas and I am here to teach you how to start painting in the Photoshop. And also there will be lots of tutorial videos in the future to teach you how to paint, how to coloring, how to do figure draw, how to landscape painting and everything related to digital art and digital painting. So don't miss it. And if you didn't subscribe me to now, do it right now and hit the bell so you will be notified for my next video and my next tutorial. For the first things, if you open your Photoshop for the first time, you will be faced the page like this, and you have to create a new document from here, new file, or here, file, option new, or shortcut Control N. And also, if you have a picture, a photo that you wanted to do some edit on it or paint something on it, you can open it here from your file or here, or with the shortcut Control N. But for now, I wanna to open a new document by new page. Click here. When I do so, there will be a new box like this. There is my recent file size that I chose before. But for example, if you are opening Photoshop for the first time, there won't be something like this for you. For going to have new document, there is some default sizes that Photoshop give you. You can go here to the print, and there is some size too. And also, if you want to choose your dimension by inch, centimeters, or millimeters, or pixels, also you can have here. For example, I choose pixels. As you can see, the letter size pixel is this. Or for example, A4 is this. And also you can change the size manually by this box and this box. Also, if you want to choose your page be horizontal or vertical, you can choose them from here. I want to be vertical. About the resolution, if you want to print your work, the resolution has to be 300. If the resolution is lower, your quality will decrease after the print. So be sure about your resolution to put it on 300. Here in this box we have RGB color and CMYK color. About the RGB and CMYK and what is the difference between them, I will explain it in my next video. Don't miss it. There is my background center. You have to choose your background color from color picker here. As you can see, there is lots of color and you can choose whatever you want from, for example, here from black to white, or even you can go here, choose for example blue, and it is from the bright blue to darker one. You can choose whatever color you want. About this era, I will explain in my next videos. Here you can select your name. For example, I wanna choose it Fanos. As you can see. And this document is ready. Oh, I wanna choose my background color to white. Okay, let's go. You can see there is my new document, and the name is Fanos. I made it before, so this is my new document. And I will explain about this arrow, about the toolboxes, and about brushes, about the erasers, everything there will be my next videos, so don't miss it. And in the end, I wanna to you to motivate me to continue with your likes and comments. See you in my next video.